Okay, so now we will solve question number 2, that is prove that. And question number 3, add the following complex number, while question number 4, subtract second complex number from first complex number. So we are going to start with the first one, that is prove that iota power 107 plus iota power 112 plus iota power 122 plus iota power 153. So let me solve this in a short and easy way. As we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. Remember this term, iota square equal to minus 1. So we will put this value in all of these equations. So as we know that this implies that the question implies that iota, let me write it again, 107 plus iota 112 plus iota 122 plus iota 153, right? I will make iota square in all of these terms in order to put the value of iota square, which is equal to minus 1. So this implies that I can write this as iota power 106 dot iota, right? Because on multiplication it gives me 107 plus I can write this as iota power 56 dot, sorry, I can write this in simple word, iota square into 56, right? Plus iota power square into 61 plus iota power 76 iota power 152 dot iota, because on multiplication it will give me 112, 122 and 153. 152 plus 1 equal to 153, right? Now this implies that I can write this as iota square into 53 dot iota plus, however, as we know that, let me write it again and then in the last I will put the value of iota square. So iota square 56 plus iota square 61 plus, now I can write this as 76 iota power square into 76 dot iota, right? Now I will put the values of iota square, which is equal to minus 1. So this implies that minus 1 power 53 dot iota plus minus 1 to the power 56 plus minus 1 to the power 61 plus minus 1 to the power 76 dot iota. Remember that iota square always gives us minus 1. But as we know that when odd power comes on minus 1, it gives me again minus 1. But if even power comes on minus 1, it gives me plus 1. Let me write it here. When minus 1 gets power odd, it gives me again minus 1. But if minus 1 having power even number, it will give me plus 1. So I will circle it. Remember these things, right? Now, on solving, it will give me minus 1 dot iota plus, and this is equal to plus 1. However, this is again equal to minus 1 because the power is odd, and we know that on odd it gives me minus 1. And here the power is even, so it will give me plus 1 iota, right? So on multiplication, minus iota plus 1, this gives me minus 1 and plus iota. Now as you can see here, let me write it again, minus iota plus 1 minus iota, minus 1, sorry, this is minus 1 and plus iota. Now as you can see here, minus iota cancels out with minus I plus iota and plus 1 with minus 1. So the answer is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Now the second question is add the following complex number. We are going to add the complex number, but before going to start this question, remember that We always add a number. Let me write a number here, a plus b iota and c plus d iota. Whenever we have complex number addition, so we will check these things. A will add with c, remember, and bi will add with di. Always we will try to add the complex number, the iota term, with the complex number, right? So remember this. On multiplication, let me multiply in first step. 3 into 1, 3, plus 3 into 2, 6 iota. Sorry. On multiplication, it will give me 6 iota, right? However, this one minus 2 and plus 6 iota. When 2 minus 2 multiply with minus 3 iota, it will give me plus 6 iota. Now we are adding the complex number. So let's say, for example, this term is z1 and this term is z2. z1 is equal to 3 plus 6 iota and z2 is equal to minus 2 plus 6 iota. Now we are adding these two terms, so z1 plus z2, which is equal to, so we will add the right side, 3 plus 6 iota plus minus 2 plus 6 iota. Alright, so this is equal to 3 plus 6 iota minus 2 plus 6 iota. So we will add these two terms and again iota with iota 1. So it will give me 3 into minus 2 equal to 1, while 6 plus 6 equal to 12 iota, which is the answer, right? So this one is the answer, z1 plus z2. Now this term, question number 2. This implies that, sorry, let's start again with the first thing. 1 minus 2, 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3, and we are adding this term, so plus 1 by 4 minus 1 over 3 into iota. Remember that always add the complex number with complex number. So take this term with this one, this implies that 1 over 2 plus 1 by 4, right? And minus with this one, minus 2 by 3 iota minus 1 by 3 iota. Take LCM from these two terms. So this is 4, and however in cross multiplication it will give me 2 plus 1. Always try to multiply like this. Divide 4 by 2, we have 2, while how we are going to multiply with 1, we will get 2, right? And here 4 divided by 4, it gives us 1. However, that one will be multiplied by 1. So this is equal to 2 over 1, right? And here again, the LCM of these two terms is 3. When 3 divided by 3, it gives us 1. Multiply that one with minus 2 iota. Again, when 3 divides with 3, it will give me 1, and that one will be multiplied by 1 iota. So minus iota, right? So this is equal to 3 by 4 minus 3 iota over 3, right? Minus 2 iota minus iota gives me minus 3 iota, and 3 is on downside. So they will cancel out each other. The answer is, let me write the answer is on this one color. So this is equal to 3 by 4 minus iota. So this is the answer, because it gives me 3 by 4, and however this gives me minus 3 iota over 3. 3 cancels with 3 to get only iota. Now we will do subtraction, but remember the question, just read the question before starting the answer of the question. They says that subtract the second term from the first, right? Or the question comes like that, subtract first term from the second one. So we will do both. We will try to understand both cases, right? Here, subtract second from first. If the question comes like this, remember in paper, if the question comes like this, subtract first from second. In book, the question is given in this form: subtract first term from the second term, right? So here in solution, remember that now we are subtracting this term from this one. So I will take same as this is Z1 equal to this is same Z2. So here Z1 is equal to A into 0 while Z2 is equal to 2 into minus B. Remember that always if you have complex number, the second term must contain iota. So always try to put iota here. Iota, right? Because we will subtract iota term from iota term and the constant or the other term from the other term, right? So we know that here they are saying subtract the first term from the second. So we will take like Z2 minus Z1 because we are subtracting the first term from the second term. So this is equal to 2 minus B iota minus A into B iota, B iota, right? So we are going to subtract this 2 minus B iota minus A minus B iota, because if you multiply minus with plus it gives me minus, again here minus with plus it gives me minus. So I think I got a little mistake, so this is 0, here A 0, right? So we will subtract this term from each other. So 2 minus 0 equal to 2, while minus B minus A equal to, remember that this is iota. If iota multiply with 0, it gives me 0. So 2 minus 0 iota equal to 2 and 2 minus A, I will take 2 minus A and minus B iota minus 0 iota. The constant term must be multiplied from the subtracted from the constant term, and the complex mean that term which contain iota must be subtracted from the term that having iota. So take iota common from this, 2 minus A minus iota common, so B plus 0. This is the answer. If I take minus common, so I will left just only with B, and here iota common, so I will left only with 0. Now this is again another question like complex number. So here we have again iota. Remember that in book iota is missing. So solution. Let's say for example Z1 is equal to minus 3 plus half iota and Z2 is equal to 3 plus half iota, like these terms. Right, now we are going to subtract these terms, Z2 minus Z1, because we are subtracting the first term from the second term. Always remember this. So the second term is 3 plus half iota minus, because we are subtracting this term, so minus 3 plus half iota. Now multiply the negative sign, 3 plus half iota plus 6, because minus into minus plus, and minus into plus minus half iota. Now as you can see here, let me write it again once. This gives me plus 3. Now 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Now just try to combine these things, plus half iota and minus half iota. 3 plus 3 equal to 6, and combine these two terms. Now as you can see here that half iota cancels out with half iota. So this gives me 6, which is the answer. Z2 minus Z1, this is the answer.